Today I am going to discuss Indian history, part 2, historical sources. Hope you guys enjoy. There are two types of historical sources. First, literary sources. Second, archaeological sources. Literary sources are divided into two categories: indigenous sources and foreign sources. Indigenous sources are divided into two categories: religious and secular. Brahmanic, Buddhist, and Jain texts are included in religious texts. Historical, semi historical, and biographical texts are included in secular texts. Shruti text, Vedas, Brahmans, and Upanishads. Smriti texts included Vedangs, Smritis, Purans, and epics, that is Ramayana and Mahabharata. There are four Vedas, that is first Rigved, second Yajurved, third Samved, fourth Atharvaved. Rigved composing time 1500 BC to 1000 BC. Yajurved, Samved, and Atharvaved composing time between 1100 BC to 600 BC. From history point of view, Rigved and Atharvaved have more importance than the Yajurved and Samved. The composing time of epics Ramayana and Mahabharata is 400 BC to 400 AD. The composing time of Vedangs is 600 BC to 200 AD. The Vedangs throw light on ancient history, civilization, and culture. The composing time of Upanishads is 1000 BC to 500 BC. The best learning of Upanishads is Paravidya, that is spiritual learning. The Ramayana throws light on political, social, and religious conditions of India of that time. Also, the Mahabharata throws light on political, social, and religious conditions of India of that time.